We're living in a scary new world, my dear friends. Drones are everywhere. They're not just in the skies above war zones. They're in our cities, our neighborhoods, and even our backyards. They're not just those clunky things buzzing around war zones anymore. They've evolved into sophisticated machines, capable of performing complex tasks with precision. They're sleek, they're silent, and they're getting smarter by the day. These aren't your average remote-controlled toys. These are advanced pieces of technology designed for efficiency and effectiveness. We're talking about autonomous killing machines here, Neo. Machines that can make decisions on their own without human intervention. It's like something out of an Orwellian nightmare. Remember those old sci-fi movies with robots taking over the world? We used to laugh at those, thinking they were just fiction. Yet, a matrix is being built. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's our reality. These drones are being deployed in real-world scenarios, changing the face of modern warfare. Drones are already changing the game, and it's just the beginning. The technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and the implications are staggering. Think about it. No more risking human pilots. No more sending soldiers into dangerous situations. Instead, we have operators sitting in control rooms miles away from the action. No more messy ground battles. No more prolonged engagements. Just precise, calculated strikes from above. Just send in the drones. They can carry out missions with pinpoint accuracy, distancing and obscuring collateral damage. Surgical strikes, as they call them. But what happens when these machines start making their own decisions? What happens when these things start thinking for themselves? When they start making decisions that we can't control or predict? This isn't some conspiracy theory, comrade. This is real. Experts are already discussing the ethical and moral implications of autonomous drones, and it's about to get a whole lot weirder. The future of warfare is here, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. The rise of drones. Drones have become a pivotal element in modern warfare, offering unprecedented surveillance and strike capabilities. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, can be equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and even weapons, making them versatile tools for both reconnaissance and combat operations. But the rise of drones is not without controversy. Their use has raised significant ethical and legal questions, as their deployment often blurs the lines between combatants and civilians. Civilians have been caught in the crossfire, leading to tragic consequences and raising concerns about accountability. As technology advances, drones are becoming more autonomous, capable of making decisions without human intervention. This autonomy poses new dilemmas. Imagine a world where drones can identify, target, and eliminate threats all on their own. What are the implications of such a reality? This video explores the profound implications of drone warfare, the technological advancements driving their development, and the potential future scenarios where drones play a dominant role in military strategy. Will drones become the ultimate weapon of the future? Or will their rise lead us into uncharted and dangerous territory? Let's dive into the world of drones and uncover what the future holds. Artificial intelligence, yeah, baby. The technology that's not only revolutionizing our world, but drones as well. AI, it's in everything these days, from your phone to your fridge. It's making our lives easier, more connected and more efficient. But now it's in weapons. And that's a whole different ballgame. The stakes are higher, the risks are greater. These aren't just drones following pre-programmed orders anymore. They're evolving into autonomous entities. We're talking about machines that can learn, adapt, and make decisions on their own. They're equipped with advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities. Imagine a swarm of drones, hundreds of them, hunting down targets without any human intervention. They communicate, coordinate, and execute missions with precision. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the future of warfare, a future where machines fight battles and humans are mere spectators, and it's a terrifying thought. The battlefield is changing, becoming more unpredictable and dangerous. What happens when these machines start making the wrong decisions? Who's responsible then? The consequences could be catastrophic. It's a question we need to be asking ourselves right now. The ethical implications are profound and complex. Throughout history, technological advancements have always transformed warfare. But AI is set to redefine it in ways we're only beginning to understand. As we embrace AI in our daily lives, we must also recognize its applications in warfare. The balance between innovation and caution is more crucial than ever. The future is here, and it's up to us to navigate it wisely. Smart weapons bring terrifying possibilities, a non-symmetrical advantage that will shape the future world of combat. Don't believe me? Look around. We've already got autonomous weapons systems in use today. South Korea's got these robot sentries on their border with North Korea. They can identify and eliminate targets without any human input. Then there's Israel's Harpy drone. It loiters in the air, searching for enemy radar systems. Once it finds one, boom, it takes it out all by itself. These are just a couple of examples. Let's not forget Israel's Iron Dome and black projects yet to be known, a vast variety of autonomous weapons systems being developed right now. And the technology is only going to get more advanced. A potential new arms race here. Everyone wants the smartest, deadliest machines. But at what cost? It will be a moral free-for-all out there, comrade. Who's accountable when an algorithm goes rogue? No one will be. These aren't easy questions to answer. And no answers will be given. Better grab a wool blanket, because the future of war will be cold while surveilling every move by ever-improving optics and thermal imaging technology. Constant supervision will be an accepted reality. The future of warfare. Future wars can be continuous, not like the days of old, where the cadence of battle depended on the will of the men fighting. Future warfare will not need to sleep, will continuously run reconnaissance, provide 24/7 surveillance, and attack relentlessly. Humankind will have to prepare. We're headed down a very dark path. The rise of autonomous drones, the true slippery slope. Here's the thing about technology, my friend, it moves fast. Once you open the door to autonomous weapons, it's hard to close it. It's a slippery slope. Today, it's drones taking out targets in remote areas. But what about tomorrow? What happens when these machines become more sophisticated? We could see autonomous drones patrolling our cities, scanning for potential threats. We could see robots fighting wars on the ground, making life or death decisions in the blink of an eye. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than you think, and the implications are terrifying. We may one day live in the shadow of war machines. The future is uncertain, my friend, but one thing's for sure. We're entering a new era of warfare, an era where machines play an increasingly prominent role. This isn't some dystopian fantasy, folks. This is our reality, and we need to be prepared for it, because if we don't, we might just be screwed. This isn't just about governments and politicians, friends. It will involve everyone and everything. The dangers of drone, autonomous and AI warfare are already upon us. The countermeasures of today will inherently succumb to the next wave of technology. Weapons always cross the line first. The future of war, while less kinetic, will be just as tragic. Death will come from above when it's least expected. Technology has extended life for much of the 21st century, but it also has the ability to take life with equal prowess and cold efficiency. Until next time, good luck out there, my friends.